Hey guys, if we're another here, today I am going to show you how to do an effective anti-breakage treatment using the beautiful another anti-breakage set. So I'm going to be starting with the argan oil strengthen and hydrate conditioner co-wash. This is great for detangling natural hair, especially if your hair is stubborn and if your hair is breaking. You want the hair detangled and moisturized before you move on to other treatment because the hair is already breaking. So you want to try to minimize breakage as much as possible. Now look at how the conditioner co-wash is really defining the curls, detangling, and just basically making the hair come to life. Now, lest I forget, you can get any of these products or the entire set by clicking on the links that I've attached to the caption of this video. Beautiful and other ships to you wherever in the world that you are. And we also have amazing deals for resellers and distributors. I'm talking about deals that would see you even get rewarded for just being an outstanding reseller. How about that? So guys, jump on it. Don't be told. Okay, so now it's time to shampoo, but I'm going to start by rinsing out the conditioner before going in with the shampoo. Now the beautiful another hydrate and detangle shampoo is fortified with vitamin E, argan oil, and other natural ingredients that you want to have in your hair, and it's also very moisturizing. It's what you need if your hair is breaking. So I'm just going to take a sufficient amount, work it into the hair, shampoo the hair, make sure the scalp is also cleansed, and just basically get the hair for the next treatment, which is to use the beautiful another rice water and red palm oil anti-breakage protein deep conditioner. Okay, now look at how healthy her hair is looking now. Curls are popping. The hair looks way better already. Now it's time to go in with the rice water and palm oil restore and hydrate anti-breakage protein dip conditioner. This is magical. This is very great for hair that's breaking. It's going to help prevent the breakage. It's also fortified with hydrolyzed keratin, aside having red palm oil and rice water, which by the way is great for promoting hair growth. This is one in a million. All right, look how easy it is to just really tangle the hair. I am detangling the hair, working the deep conditioner into every strand of hair and massaging the scalp with a deep conditioner because the rice water in it helps to promote hair growth. I'm going to repeat this process all over, and then she's going to go under the steamer and be there for 15 to 20 minutes so that the hair really takes in all of the nutrients in deep conditioner, and also the scalp opens up and takes in the nutrients as well. After steaming the hair, I rinsed out the beautiful another deep conditioner, as you can see in the video. And next up, I applied the beautiful another vitamin E and soybean oil leave-in conditioner, which is great for activating curls and also for treating breakage. This is also a great moisturizer and it's so silky. The sleep is great. This is basically everything naturalists need in the leave-in conditioner. All right, so I'm gonna apply that and also seal in the moisture with the beautiful another ginseng and fleece flower root hair growth oil. Okay, now next up I am going to put the blow dryer on cold air and just air dry the hair using cold air. The hair is breaking, the hair was breaking, and you don't want to increase the breakage by using heat on the hair, so I am going to be using cold air. Okay, now look at the afro comb attached to my hand dryer and you would see that there is no hair that you can find in the afro comb, and that is because our treatment has definitely worked on the hair. Now look at our beautiful model with her really healthy hair. This is way healthier than what she walked in here with. You can see from the video, hair isn't breaking anymore. Hair is looking really full and healthy, and this is what you want your hair to be. Don't forget to click on the links attached to the caption of this video to buy any of the products or to get the entire set. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.